How to take a scared bird outside of its cage. Step 1. Food bowl. Make sure your bird is used to your hand in the cage and offer the food with their food bowl without touching them. You can use any kind of food in this process. Now take some food in your hand and offer it to them. They might get scared at first, but keep on trying. Now, once your bird is used to eating from your hand, feed it some food and then while it's eating, touch its stomach and then get your hand a bit high. It'll probably come up. If it doesn't, don't force it or don't push it. So now keep on practicing this with your bird and then it'll be easy to take them out. So they'll actually try to come off your hand again and again, but keep on trying. Thanks for watching.